AI is taking jobs. You've heard that before. But here's the part nobody talks about. While millions of people are worried about being replaced, a small group of people are quietly getting richer. Not because they work harder, not because they're smarter, but because they understand how AI really changes money. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. If you feel uneasy about AI, that reaction makes sense. Machines don't sleep. They don't complain. They don't ask for raises. They just get faster, cheaper, better. So, when people say, just adapt, learn new skills, work harder, it sounds good. But deep down, you already know the truth. You can't outwork something that was never designed to get tired. Here's the twist most people miss. AI doesn't replace people. It replaces positions, jobs, roles, tasks that trade time for money. And the people at the top don't compete with it. They don't fear it. They structure their world around it. They let AI do the work while they keep the leverage. Imagine two people, same world, same economy, same AI tools. The first person uses AI to work faster, more output, more tasks, more pressure. They feel productive, but they're still selling hours. The second person uses AI differently. They use it to automate, to scale, to remove themselves from the process. The same technology, very different outcomes. One trades time, the other builds systems. This is why the wealth gap is growing faster than ever. AI didn't create inequality. It exposed it. People who rely on wages feel threatened because AI attacks time-based income. People who own assets feel excited because AI multiplies scale. Same tool, opposite reactions. Productivity has limits. You can only work so many hours. You can only focus on so many things. Ownership doesn't have that problem. A system can run all day. A model can serve millions. An automated business doesn't clock out. That's why productivity makes you efficient. But ownership makes you wealthy. The wealthy don't ask, how do I use it? They ask, how do I position myself around it? They invest in companies using AI. They build businesses powered by AI. They remove human bottlenecks wherever possible. To them, AI isn't a threat. It's leverage. Most people use AI like a tool. The wealthy use AI like infrastructure. That's the difference. One improves effort. The other changes the game entirely. And that gap compounds over time. This isn't about becoming a programmer. Most AI winners never write code. They understand systems, ownership, positioning. They don't ask for permission. They design leverage. So the real question isn't, will AI replace you? It's this, will AI work for you, or will it work on you? Because in the age of AI, that single decision separates workers from owners.